Good morning. My name is Ed Crossan from IC Controls, and this morning we're working on a calcium hardness analyzer. One of the things I wanted to show you is we've developed a Biocide cartridge that works in the reagent, in line with the reagent for the analyzer, because you can have some conditions where you get biological growth in the flow cell and in the analyzer, typically in the summer months, but can happen at any time of year. So this is how easy it is to install it. Comes with this little cartridge and the tubing. You just put it in line, right on the barb there. The other side on this barb. See there. Same kind of barb fitting. And then you just put it into your reagent bottle as normal. So that just goes right inside there. And typically you'd change that out every 60 to 90 days. Thank you.